Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out the Ofra HD Volumizing Mascara. I have tried out so many Ofra products before here on my YouTube channel because I get Ofra a lot in Ipsy, but I haven't tried out any of their mascaras yet, so I'm very excited to see how this is going to be. I'm picky with my mascaras, but I love trying out new ones, and this claims to do it all. Lifting and curling, defining and volumizing, lengthening. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and I got this in the shade black. So let's go ahead and get into it. The packaging on this is just so classic Ofra packaging, and it looks like a big mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, looks pretty good. It's the spiky silicone type bristles, and they're pretty short. It's a pretty small wand, which is fine by me because hopefully this way I don't get mascara all over my eyelid, my under eyes. But yeah, I do like a spiky silicone wand because I do feel like it does a good job of gripping and coating every lash and going on without clumping. It is doing a nice job of defining and darkening the lashes, coating them all the way to the tips too for that lengthening effect. A nice first impression here, and it already seems buildable. But before I start building it up anymore, I'm going to go ahead and apply it for the lower lashes. But also, so far, it really is not messy. It's not getting any mascara on my eyelid or my under eye. I really like this for the lower lashes. I can coat them all quickly and easily, and they're looking dark, defined. And that's really all I need for my lower lashes. Hopefully this isn't the type of formula that smudges though. That's my ultimate criteria on if a mascara is good for the lower lashes or not. But so gonna dip back in, pick up some more, and try and get that ultimate volume and lengthening and curling effect on these top lashes that I want to see and like it claims to do. But yes, nicely buildable. And there is definitely a bit of lifting happening. I have pretty straight lashes, but I did not curl them. But this is actually doing a pretty good job of giving a little bit of curl and lift. And still the lashes are staying separated, which is another quality I really look for in a mascara. I don't want them to be sticking together. And this is keeping them nicely separated, defined, and decently lengthened. I mean, it's looking pretty good, but nothing too amazing. I'm not getting an insane amount of volume, but it's still buildable. It just takes a really long time to build it up to a lot of volume. But luckily, as I am spending a while building it up, it's still staying nice and fanned out. I feel like this is about as good as I can get, and it looks nice. I mean, the length, volume, lift, compared to my lashes without it. But it's just, it's fine. It's nice, usable, but I feel like I would be reaching for another mascara to layer on top to fill in my lashes and fill in that volume. That just is not quite achieved with this. But that really is my personal preference. I like to have extreme volume falsy effect for my lashes. If you want more of that natural, not false lash looking type of mascara, then this is a nice option because of those qualities of it not being messy, easy to apply, all of those other good qualities. But for the lower lashes, definitely very nice because I'm not trying to really build up the volume on the lower lashes here. Just basically make them visible. So here is the finished mascara look. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. I think this is fine, but not one that I'm going to recommend that you need in your collection. Since I have it, I'll use it, but not one that I'm interested in repurchasing. So I would say there are much better Ofra products like the Ofra highlighters. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.